Today, we're at Michael's Art and Craft Store, and I'm going to share with you my personal buys and must-haves when you have a coupon or when the product's on sale. This is a must-watch for all you new artists out there. Let's go. First up, we have this rolling cart, which comes in right around 50 bucks. It's 3-tiered, which is perfect for anyone out there that likes to organize their paints and paint colors. I personally put my oil paint colors on the top shelf. The middle shelf is for acrylic colors, and the bottom shelf is for my paint mediums and cleanup supplies. I also love how it's on caster wheels, making it easy to move around my art studio or to move out of the way for when I have to clean up. It also holds up to heavy duty abuse and damage, which is a win in my book. The best part about this is when it's on sale or when you have a coupon, you can score it for under 30 bucks. And of course, if you want to go above and beyond, you can get all the accessories to make your cart stand out. Canvases, canvases, canvases everywhere, but which one to paint? Well, I say concentrate on the big canvases when they are on sale, but I only recommend buying them at particular times to get the advantage of the biggest discounts. To know when those dates and times are, I recommend checking out one of my videos. But my favorite canvases to buy all the time to practice, paint, and have fun on are these ones right here. The Super Value Pack 16 by 20 inch. These are perfect size for any artist out there and perfect for wet on wet landscapers. You get 5 per pack, and the best part about this is it comes in right around $12.99, and sometimes you can even score them under $10 with the right coupon codes. If you can't get those or perhaps they're too big, I would recommend going for the 11 by 14s, which you get 7 per pack for the same price. If you're looking for a painting surface to practice on, look no farther than these canvas pad packs right here. For $12.99, they are a great deal for 10 sheets to practice on. The best part is when you use your coupon code, it brings it down to right around 10 bucks, making it $1 per sheet. One of the best surfaces to practice on. A hidden gem are these folding display easels. They always seem to be sold out, and you want to make sure you get the Mini Pro version because they're heavy duty and they last long. They make perfect displays, and the best part about these is they can be easily painted to match the decor of your home or wherever you need to display your art. All right, let's move on to paints and colors. And one of my favorite manufacturers of paints to buy when it's on sale is this right here, Winsor & Newton water mixable oil paints. I love these because I can still paint the traditional way, but it also opens the door to allow me to eliminate solvents, vapors, and harmful chemicals because they're water mixable, which is fantastic. Plus, it comes in a multitude of different colors, allowing me to play around and have fun. And I believe they come a little firmer out of the tube when you need the tube correctly, allowing me to paint correctly with the wet on wet technique and do things like thick textures and paint breaks. The trick to buying this brand right here when it's on sale is wait for the sale where you buy one tube, get one free, or you at least get 30% off your order. Over in the craft paint section is a hidden gem for acrylic artists, and that is the Folk Art Color Shift acrylic paints. These things are just stunning and beautiful, take my word for it. I use them all the time in my acrylic pours because they have beautiful and vivid colors, but they have the ability to color shift, and they have such a reflective state that they make your colors literally pop off the painting surface. Give these a try. I also like to mix these paints into normal acrylic paints for the fact that they have the color shift and the vibrancy and that reflective states that it makes paintings that are of nebulas or aurora borealises just look so beautiful and stunning. Gamblin' Gamsol is a great purchase to have when you get a coupon that's 20 to 30% off your one item or your entire order. Using this coupon will actually bring your order below what you would buy Gamblin' Gamsol for on Amazon, making it one of the best deals. It seems like all artists forget about enhancing and protecting their dried painting, which is why I recommend using a varnish. Spray varnishes are perfect for this, and Winsor & Newton gloss varnish is one of my favorite for brand new artists. It's going to enhance all the colors in your painting, but also protect it, provided you can actually find a can for sale. It seems like all varnishes seem to be sold out recently. So if you can find one, you have a coupon, this is a great purchase. Near the brushes on the bottom shelf, you can find a hidden gem, which is a brush cleaning tank or jar that is a generic one that works fantastic, next to, of course, the more expensive heavy-duty one. But if you're low on funds, these generic ones will work. Also, right next to that will be one of my favorite products, which is the Master Brush Cleaner and Preserver. It seems like the hockey puck size is the only one available, but if you can get the big tub, I recommend going that way because trust me, you will use it. Another great gem is this right here, the Artist Loft palette knife. In fact, this was actually my first palette knife I ever had. It's flexible at the top, feels comfortable in the handle, and well balanced when you hold it in your hand. In fact, when you grip it hard, it still feels extremely comfortable. And for under $5, you can't go wrong. And using a discount code, you'll get it even cheaper. If you like to get every drop out of your paint tube, I recommend you take a look at these paint tube keys, which you apply to the base and slowly twist and roll up the tube to get every last drop out. I do recommend using a paint crimper if you can afford one, generally between $30 and $40, but they're well worth it. But these coming in at under $6 are a great option. I hope you enjoyed my adventures to Michael's Art and Craft store. And no way was this a sponsored video. These things are legitimate things that I buy when I earn rewards or get coupon codes, or they are on a deep discount. I just love sharing good buys and deals with my community. And now that you know about them, you know how to spend your art money more wisely. If you like this type of video and you want to see more things like this, you know what to do. Go down below and leave me a comment. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And also, if you like any of these products, you can use the links in the video description. Cost you nothing, but help support me and my channel. Now, we mentioned those big canvases and when to buy them, and to know that time frame, you got to check the video over to my side that goes over the best times to buy big canvases, so that way you get the best bang for your buck. I'll see you in that video, and as always, happy painting.